All right, the drink we're about to make is called Blackberry Sip. We're going to serve it up in a cocktail glass. Go and put some ice and water in there. Let it sit while you're making your drink, and it'll get it nice and chilled for you. All right, fill up your mixing glass with ice and measure out 1 ounce of blackberry brandy, followed by 1 ounce of vodka, and we'll give it a ½ ounce of sour mix. All right, go and grab your shaker and shake it up. You get it nice and cold. Nothing like sipping a nice cold blackberry sip. Dump out your ice water and use your strainer to pour it in. All right, and that is a blackberry sip. Bottoms up.